morning, folks. Here we are at RPM Pro Audio. We do custom building. These next few months, we're going to show you some projects that we are working on and some that we have already finished. I'm talking to your camera.
You what?
So I'm talking to your camera.
Oh, are you? So if you remember.
So hang around, folks. You never know what you're going to see.
That's right. So we said if we got 1,000 views, we change the sub.
Cool.
So we're going to be moving over to the JL.
New sub.
We're going to be doing the same box. Well, different dimensions. But now we're doing it with this guy. Get this out of here. If I can get it out of here. All right, move that box out of the way. That is what we're switching to.
There you go, folks. The monster.
12-inch JL W6 V3 dual 4s.
What kind of power we're looking at there, Eric?
Same power, 500 watts.
500 watts.
That's all it takes. 1.3 cubic foot tuned to 1.3 cubic feet box tuned to 33 hertz. And only 500 watts.
And it'll blow your legs off.
Well, everybody thinks you need 5,000 to make some sound.
Folks, we're going to show you how to get a killer sound out of less power.
That's right. That's right. This is actually a factory JL refurb from Creative Audio. These things are $9.49, and I got it for $6.47 out the door. It's a JL recone. They send them in and they redo them. But I mean, hell, looks brand new to me.
And wow, look at that vintage.
Yeah. Yeah, it's supposedly got that bullet driver on the back of it to help it push air.
We're going to find out.
Yep. This is a 26-pound sub. That's got a magnet on it. That might make it.
And it's only going to take 500 watts to drive that monster.
Mm-hmm. Says it'll handle 1,000 plus, but you know as well as I do, you don't need that.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're changing it.
And I like that faceplate.
This here. Oh, it is, isn't it?
That is a killer. Yeah.
Does it actually?
It's going to make a nice router template.
Does that actually? What's that on there?
Perfect.
Oh, perfect.
Now we have a router template.
Normally we wouldn't spend this much on this stuff and run SCAR, but we're gonna see if all the hype is worth the squeeze. I mean, look at that vented pole.
And that spider. Look at that spider.
Yeah.
That is heavy duty.
Built in the USA.
American made, folks.
American assembled.
Assembled.
So yeah, we're gonna switch to the W6, same amp. Again, when JL rates these things, they do a real good job. I don't know if I have they do a real good job of telling you. I mean, that's a 10 W6. I don't know why they have that on there. Yeah, power handling continuous 600 watts. And that'll feed, yeah, with the box we're making, it'll feed it 19X max. Like 3/4 of an inch. So yeah, we're going from a W3 to a W6. And I have a feeling that's going to be a hellacious jump.
Yep.
So anyways, now we got to actually build the box.
And that is in the process.
Yep. We're just cleaning shit up.
Getting ready to get serious.
We got some, let me grab this. We got, what, Baltic birch back here, right?
Yes, we do. We have Baltic birch.
Baltic birch 13 ply, and we're also going to be trying Tiger ply.
It's a real nice looking plywood.
Yep, it's a 15 ply. I think it said Baltic birch, didn't it?
It is a birch face. It's all solid hardwood. There is some crazy name
That
for the
stuff's
wood.
what, 130 a sheet?
Yes.
And when we got this, it was like 80 a sheet, and now it's over 200 if you can even find it. So
Yeah, and this is farmed.
Oh yeah, that's the one they have the forestry for. That's
Yeah, this is the farmed plywood. They actually raised the trees for this specifically for this plywood.
Yeah.
So
we got some other cabinets over there.
Yeah, them are some X1s loaded with the 18-inch RCF. These are a couple cabinets that we're refurbing. And
is that selenium or is that?
These are RCF. Right there we go. These babies can handle 2,400 watts program.
That's true actual wattage. That's
That
not
is
car
actual
wattage. And
this
look
is
at
not
the magnet.
car audio.
Look at the magnet.
This is a
compared to my hand.
Neo.
Look how small that magnet is comparatively.
These are made in Italy. They've been making these in Italy for a long, long time. Killer speakers.
There you go. Voice coil, 4-inch coil, 30 hertz to 1K.
1,000. These have been driven normally at 80 hertz high end.
Oh yeah, and we got the tucked away in the corner. We got the American Bass XFL. We've got this one that's getting. This one's getting reconed, right?
Yes, this one is getting reconed. This is a 500 watt.
That's a Scar, isn't it?
This is a Scar. We can recone here also.
Yep.
And because we have some old Electro Voice on the shelf over there. That one is due to be reconed.
But numero uno is console box for the
right now
badass
we have
looking
this
W6
project to complete.
Thing looks like a beast. Yeah, we've actually got it. Some of it drawn. You can see pieces of it over here. It's our patterns.
Yes.
We got patterns on here.
Yes, this is our pattern. We're getting ready to transfer this pattern to our material. We have all the dimensions worked out. That's my speaker hole cutter.
You can see that's the rough.
So this is our layout.
Which actually this changes now because now our port false wall. I think it's there. I don't know. It's drawn up on CAD somewhere.
The exterior of the box is staying the same.
Yep.
The interior is going to be adjusted to the sub we are using.
If you look, we'll be able to use this and actually eat up some of this real estate. That way, if someone wants us to build them a box, you tell us what sub you got, and we'll tune it like it's actually supposed to be made, not just off the shelf, slap something in it and sound like shit, because
we don't do off the shelf.
Nope. MDF sounds like shit. I don't care what you say. It's cheap. It's porous. It actually absorbs some sound, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then the Baltic birch, that literally makes all your sound push out of the cabinet. Oh, and we got the Steve Mead speaker terminal, which is pretty sweet.
Come on, how come my fingers aren't working?
Check that bad boy out.
We use quality material here.
That's right. If you want cheap, don't come to us. Go to Amazon. Actually, there's Amazon. And our cup holders. And since this is for a 14 through 18 Chevy or GMC crew cab, we're going to be installing the factory USB plugs. We're either going to do it in between them or actually on that panel that comes up, we're going to be adding this in it. So you'll be able to retain.
We haven't decided yet.
Yeah, we haven't decided yet, but you'll be able to retain your factory hookup. So it'll be pretty cool. Oh, and where's our covering material?
Oh, it's inside here. Let me grab it.
There's some more. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, so for our cover material, you check this out. This is actually black suede. It's got a nice little backer on it. It's probably, I don't know, maybe a 1/4 inch thick.
Yes.
So it's all going to be wrapped. We'll show you along the way, but we're actually going to run a groove in it and actually tuck this in. It's going to look sweet. But it's actually just going to be all black suede. But if you're interested in watching this thing and want a box, we will build these for you. But we won't make them out of cheap shit. It will be nice stuff. And they're probably going to start around 500. Unfinished.
Unfinished.
If you want us, we'll build it to your cubic feet, your port. You have to give us your sub dimensions and everything else. It will have to be paid for up front. But we'll be more than happy to build them. And this fits 14 through 18 Silverado. I don't know if it fits anything 4-door. I don't know if it fits a standard cab because of the middle.
We haven't checked into that yet.
But even then, even if you want something, a regular box is even easier for us to build. So if you want a regular box,
and we do have other subs that we have built in the past.
Yep.
For the
yep, we got other subs. We've actually made an 8-inch. What was that scar? We had an 8-inch scar SDR or something.
We've built a 4/8 scar, 2/8 scar.
We actually did the 4/8 scar with a RP 1500 that would almost shake the truck apart.
And we did the kicker.
Yeah, we did the solo barrack. So we're trying to find all this shit. Everybody else got famous.
We're going to be showing pics.
So this is just shit we do for fun, and everybody else apparently makes a lot of money off of it. So why not show them what the hell we're doing?
We do it right.
Yep. So all right, we'll update you probably in the next few days because this is a decent video. But yeah, check that bad beast out. That's going to sound way better than that W3.
Yes.
All right, till next time, we'll check in. We'll have an update for you. I don't know, probably next week.
Yep.
Once we start getting it cut and everything.
From the RPM shop.
From the RPM Custom Audio. That's damn right. So until then.